of you asked for more information concerning the Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge, concerning how do photos and videos look on the Edgescreen. I have more information concerning the multi-window mode. There's a slightly problem I will show you. And last of all, I have pre-installed Dead Trigger 2 and Asphalt 6 to show you how it's running on these two devices, especially on the Edgescreen, of course. But let's start with a photo, because I have pre-installed this one here to show you how it's looking like above on the S6 with its flat screen, and down here on the S6 Edge with these two edge screens here. And if you look closely, and you're now looking absolutely from 19 degrees angle, that you see here and down there a little hedge where the edge screen is beginning, but it's not a real problem. I presented you already how text is looking like. You could read it without any problem. And I want to show you, of course, a video so that you can see now in full screen mode here. Let me go a little bit closer like this. I hope you can see. It's a little bit too dark at the moment, so let me go back here where you see more colors. So you can really enjoy your video. It's no problem at all, in my opinion, at least as long as you're looking straight downward and not looking from the sides. Then, of course, there could appear a little bit more problems and the ranges down here and there, but that's not the typical thing you should do, I guess. Second one I wanted to show you is the multi-window problem. Let me first zoom out a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing on the device. It's all starting here with the Task Manager. Here you see the lately used apps. And you already know this icon here. If you go, for example, on this one here, oops, I was too quick again. Here, then you see split screen mode is started, and then you have two apps in split screen mode, like you know it from the Note models, for example. You know this. I didn't tell you, because to be honest, I didn't know. One of you told me, thanks for that again, that you will have the phone app and let me go back to this one, and the where do we have the contacts? This one over here. These two apps, as you have seen already, do not have this icon. So exactly those two, phone and contacts, are not compatible with multi-window mode. I couldn't believe if I first heard this, because these are the apps you use most, especially for, let's say, transfer an email or a phone number or whatever. Even if you say, okay, let's do this drag and drop trick I showed you already in the former video, and to avoid any mistakes or something like that, you see the different background here. Yes, this is a contacts app. You can use it in pop-up mode, but see this one. As soon as you click on one special contact like here and would like to insert or copy and paste a number, you have full screen mode. So we all can only hope that Samsung will do better in the next version of its user interface, because especially those two apps, in my opinion at least, are kind of the most important one. So I really can't believe what Samsung did over here. So now let's go to Dead Trigger 2, and I started already, as you can see here, kind of a CPU explorer, that you can see how the 8 cores of the Exynos processor are performing. You know, 4 cores with up to 1.5 gigahertz, and another 4 cores with up to 2.1 gigahertz. And let me again start this one here and go a little bit closer so that you can see. I hope this is working. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to prepare this this game in advance, but I hope now you can see everything. First of all, let me say this is maximum capacity for for graphics. So nevertheless, you can see here the processors do not have any problem even with these cases of graphics. It's almost idle. I would say the upper four and the lower four cores are sometimes oh, I have to go out this because I wanted to avoid any blood here, because you know never know who is looking, and maybe younger people. I want to get any troubles, please understand that. So that's why I'm now stopping this game over here and going over to Asphalt 8. Here we are. Again, the same process. I have to wait a little bit until the game has started. Yeah, go over here, ahead. Yeah, start. Just some seconds, and you see here, while starting, the upper cores now are really in trouble, up to 2.1 gigahertz, so maximum capacity. Again here, maximum graphics quality on Asphalt 8, and let's go and start a little bit like this one here. So I already can tell you, I tried out, of course, several times before I did this video, so it's no problem. Yeah. So do not judge my my drivings here, because I just wanted to show you how it is looking like. I'm not a gamer, and I'm not a pro at all. I just wanted to present you what's possible, how it's looking like, and especially this is one of the most advanced, at least graphically advanced games I know on Android phones. So this is the maximum you can do at the moment for phones, for Android phones. And here you see that the cores do not have any problems at all during running this game. So I would suggest this is the S6 and S6 Edge mastering almost every game you will find in the app stores, at least at the moment right now, on Android. Do not be afraid if you want to use it for games. I do not see any problem concerning this. Yeah, I hope this is already enough. Now I'm a little bit in the game, as you see here. Can't find a stop. Nevertheless, I will finish. I hope this is enough for you for some first informations. Thanks for watching, and please be so kind to recommend my channel and to subscribe to it. Thanks for that in advance, and take care. Bye.